Hello, good day friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about coronavirus. You see, I want to tell you that I am the first astrologer to predict coronavirus from China. I had predicted on the 17th of September 2019, taking the chart of China, which is of Capricorn Lagna, and the eclipse which has taken place on the 26th December 2019 over the fallen Jupiter and 22nd Dreshkon. 22nd Dreshkon is a most dreaded sign. It is a Khar Dreshkon. In Hindi it is called Khar Dreshkon. And specifically when Saturn and Jupiter transit over this Khar Dreshkon, it is most malefic. And China has a fallen Jupiter. As I have been telling, most of the astrologers do not know what is a fallen Jupiter. So very important to understand what a fallen Jupiter is. And over the fallen Jupiter, the 22nd Dreshkon Lord, the eclipse had taken place, and the Dasha of Mercury had started on the 26th of September in case of China. As per the foundation chart, on the 26th of September, Mercury, and Mercury is placed in the 9th house as the 9th lord. It is retrograde, it is totally eclipsed by Ketu, and it is also combusted by Sun. And it loses the lordship of the 6th house as per the South Indian technique of astrology, since if a planet is placed in its own sign in one house, then it loses the lordship of the other house. And we must have observed that all the virus for that reason come from China. So friends, I have written more than 50 articles. I have discussed each and every point as far as coronavirus is concerned. Most of the astrologers were telling that 99.9% astrologers were telling that the coronavirus will disappear. When, first of all, they said May, then they said 30th June, then they said 19th September, 24th September. What is all this? They're making joke. They're making a joke of astrology. They should not predict anything which they are not certain of. My friends, coronavirus is absolutely parallel to the Spanish flu. And the Spanish flu, it appeared in January 1918 and it disappeared in January 2020 when Rahu and Ketu went in Aries and Rahu went in Libra in their own nakshatras, in their own stars. Now this coronavirus is absolutely parallel to the Spanish flu. And in the eclipse of December 1917, in the eclipse there were 4 or 5 planets, and there was Rahu in the Mula Nakshatra. Rahu in the Mula Nakshatra and Ketu in the Ardhara Nakshatra. Now it is the other way around. When the eclipses are influenced by Ketu, it is most dreaded one. I will read out one Sanskrit shloka for Rahu and Ketu. Sura Suram Rahu Rog Harnam Ketu Rog Karnam. Rahu is a planet, it is Amrit. So it takes out the diseases out of our body. In the Dasha when it starts, if you have any disease in the body, it will bring it out for cure. And if the 11th house is good, then you get a cure. 6 from 6th is 11th house. And Ketu is Rog Karka, it gives Rog. And when Ketu is involved with 6 planets in the eclipse, it is a dreaded one. Especially 12th of February, Ketu goes in Mula Nakshatra. And till that time, and Jupiter has gone in Capricorn, it has come back in Sagittarius. It is the sign lord of the eclipse. It is the 22nd Dreshkon for China. So friends, it is most dreaded one. Till Jupiter remains in this sign, is most dreaded one. Let me read out what I had written earlier. This is with reference to my more than 50 articles on coronavirus in my webpage since 17 September 2019, all written well in advance of the happenings. All seem to be proving spot on. I had predicted that the virus will come from China and will spread throughout the globe and will last till Jupiter goes in Aquarius, because Jupiter in Capricorn is also most venomous, because it's going to meet a planetary war with Saturn and it will be afflicted, and it is not good. It is a Jiva planet and it is the sign lord. Till Jupiter gains strength, there will be no relief, and then the cure comes from Mars, and Mars is also fallen, and dispositor of Mars is also fallen. So where is the cure? How are the astrologers saying that we will get rid of coronavirus? My dear friends, till Mars is in the sign Pisces, till 24th of December, you will wait and see, coronavirus will not disappear. When Mars goes in the sign Aries from 24th December to 21st February, you wait and see, a vaccine can come, a vaccine can be launched which will help in the cure from the woes of the coronavirus. And then there is another time frame from 20th November to 8th of December. Jupiter will be in most benefic condition, because Jupiter will be in the first Namamsha, 3 degrees 20 minutes, and it will be Vargottam in Capricorn, and a Vargottam planet is supposed to give Mool Trigona signs, and Mool Trigona sign is Sagittarius, so it will give the benefic effect of this Sagittarius. So these 18 days also can be responsible for some cure from coronavirus. Maybe some vaccine is launched. Say if a vaccine comes in this time, it will be very good. But if the vaccine does not come in this time, so it may have some constraint, some limitations. So friends, so let me talk more. Read my article written. So I have written n number of articles, and just go through them. And I will also read out what I so I will read out. This is reference to my more than 50 articles on coronavirus on the web page since 17 September, and it is parallel. This coronavirus is parallel to the Spanish flu and may totally disappear, as I mentioned, when Rahu goes in Aries and Ketu goes in Libra. And since it is parallel, but there is medical advancement. So when Ketu also goes out of the Jyeshtha Nakshatra, that is 10th of May, and 5th of April, Jupiter will go in Aquarius. It will cross Saturn. So it has to cross Saturn, because it was with Saturn, and Saturn was ahead of Jupiter. So friends, so the ultimate is that because of medical advancement, we may be able to develop a vaccine, and that vaccine can come up to 21st of February, after 24th of December to 21st of February. And then when Jupiter crosses Saturn, then also it's a good time when it goes in Aquarius from the 5th of April 2021. But total disappearance of coronavirus may be parallel to Spanish flu, and that will be the 6th of February 2023. We may get very few number of cases. It may prolong for some time, and the vaccine may take care of it. So friends, this is all just I wanted to share, that this is that coronavirus will slowly disappear. But what is important is that Mars, the planet for cure, if it is in a fiery sign, then the cure is very good. So friends, after 24th of December to 21st of February, we expect a vaccine to come, and the woes from coronavirus will slowly disappear. Also, the another parameter which I have been mentioning, that Jupiter and Saturn both are in Nigda Direshkon in Capricorn, and till they cross, they are in Nigda Direshkon till 10 degrees. So after 10 degrees, both will cross the 10 degrees. Jupiter will cross on 5th of January, Saturn will cross on 25th of January. So life will start becoming normal after February 2021. but coronavirus may not totally disappear. You see, most of the basic problems may be solved, and we may get back after a bad night, a good morning after a bad night. So this is all I just wanted to share, friends. Just read this article in detail, and read my article of the 17th September also. I have mentioned the important text here. I have mentioned the important text here, what I had mentioned on the 17th September 2019. So friend, this is all. I wanted to share that I have not left any parameter discussing it. I have discussed 50 articles. I have discussed coronavirus, and whatever I have predicted is just falling in absolutely spot on. It is proving spot on. So friends, this is what I wanted to share. So friends, thank you for listening to me, and have a good day. So there is a bright morning ahead of a dark night. This dark night is of coronavirus, so we have a bright morning. We can say February, after from 25th of January onwards, things would be very good. So that's all, friends, I wanted to say. Maybe little cases may be left, but vaccine will take care of it. And but since it is parallel to Spanish flu, the total disappearance will only be in February 2023. Thank you, friends. Thank you for listening to me.